Alrighty guys, Wild here. Today we are going to be opening up 2 ETBs of Chaos Rising. So let's get into it. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alrighty, sorry about that. Oh, technical difficulties. Alrighty, now I'm good. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get into this. Pretty sure I already... There we go. And here is the booklet. Here's the promo card, the Finnegan. Block of energy, always nice. More useful than you think. The coin and dice. They didn't have special colored dice. Oh well. But we do have these really cool sleeves of Greninja. So. Alright. And here are the first couple packs. Let's get into it. Oh, we got something cool. It might just be an EX, or it's the Floette. Mega Floette full art. Nice. Floor is going to be messy after all this. And we have a Mega Gallade EX. Pretty cool. Sorry, I'm going through this a little fast. And nothing in the nap pack. Oh, we got the Watchhog SIR, or the IR again. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Make sure I didn't... Okay. And nothing in that one. And a Nitro Energy. And a Crocodile EX. Nice. Alright. And an Ampharos. Alright, last pack for the first box. Let's see what we get. Nothing super good so far, but can't complain. And a bubble energy. Alright. That was it for the first box. Let's get in to the second. I really need to get some better lighting in my room. Promo again. All right. Let's get into it. And with a Trevenant starting off. Ooh, a shine. Let me see if this helps. A little bright. That's a little better. Kind of getting some glare off the Dragonite, but hopefully it will not glare on the cards. Ah, much better. And nothing. Oh, I'm so happy and so mad. It's another Frogadier. I already have my Frogadier, but it's so good. Ah, so cool. Oh, and a Greninja EX. Nice. Love this guy. Or a Mega Greninja EX, not just a Greninja. Nothing. Nothing. Oh well. Nope. Probably not getting anything in this one. Oh, hey, another Mega Floette. Nice. And a Crobat. Beedrill EX. Not bad, not bad. And last pack. A Jumbo Ice Cream. Nice. Alrighty, guys. That is it for the opening. We did get some decent stuff. Jumbo ice cream, another Frogadier, Ninja. We have the Finnegan promos. With my mat there for a second. But yeah, we got some decent stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all later. Peace.